All right, boys and girls, today we are going to create our anchor chart in your notebook. So you need a piece of paper, you need your crayons, and when we are finished, you need to place this behind your Virginia Studies tab. Make sure that you create everything that I do and have everything on your anchor chart that I have, because you will use this for your assignment in Class Kick. All right, I know drawing this may not be easy, so just do your very best. Make sure you're pausing the video to complete the parts that I do. For your assignment, you will have an actual map. You will not have to draw it. So we're going to start by drawing Virginia, just like we have before, and it's like a sideways triangle. Do not forget the eastern shore out here. Now, the language group map is probably the hardest map that we have to draw. So we're going to start by kind of drawing a line to create just our coastal plain region. So it starts up at the top of Virginia, kind of right there in the corner, and it just goes straight down. Okay? And then about a little ways up, we're going to draw a little section here that kind of sections out a little place of the coastal plain region. All right, over here, where it kind of gets small, we are going to draw a little section like that. And then we're going to cut off the little tip of the corner right there. Okay? So yours may not look exactly like mine, but that is okay. Just do the best that you can. So I'm going to teach you a mnemonic device that's going to help you remember how to label a map. And most of the maps that you see are going to look just like this, and you just have to label them. So first, we're going to write our mnemonic device to help us label the tribes that live in each area. So the mnemonic device for the tribe, okay, go ahead and write that, is, and it's very silly and it doesn't make any sense, but that's what helps us to remember it. Can, okay, underline that C, monkeys, underline that M, pick, underline that P, cantaloupe, underline that C. Can monkeys pick cantaloupe? Well, then we're going to put these on our map, and we're just going to use the very first letter, but we're going to say the mnemonic device or the silly sentence in our head. And we're going to start right here. Can monkeys pick cantaloupe? Okay? Now, we have 3 different tribes that live in Virginia. One of those tribes is named the Cherokee tribe, and it lives in 2 different parts of Virginia in the southwestern part of Virginia. It is the Cherokee tribe. So they live in this section of Virginia and this section. Okay? The next tribe is the Monacan, and they live mostly in the Piedmont region. Okay? And the next tribe is the Powhatan tribe, and they live mainly in the coastal plain region. So now we have labeled our language group map with the tribes where they live using our silly sentence, can monkeys pick cantaloupe? The next thing we have to do is we have to match our tribes with the language that they spoke. Okay, so I like little silly sayings here, and I like to use food because Mrs. Campbell likes to eat. And the first one I like to use is cookies with ice cream. Okay, and I'm going to underline my C and my I. Okay? Cookies with ice cream. So the Cherokee tribe speaks Iroquoian. All right? Cookies with ice cream, the Cherokee tribe speaks Iroquoian. I also like macaroni and cheese and spaghetti. They are two of my very favorite foods. So I think of those. Underline that M and that C. So the Monacan tribe, can you guess what language they speak? They speak the Siouan or the Sioux, however you may hear it pronounced. Okay? And the last one that I use is pizza. I love pizza with apples on it. Boys and girls, do you like pizza with apples? So pizza with apples. The Powhatan tribe speaks Algonquin. All right, so here, if this Cherokee tribe speaks Iroquoian, it's the same tribe, so they speak Iroquoian also. Okay, so again, can monkeys pick cantaloupe? Cherokee, Monacan, Powhatan, Cherokee. The Cherokee speak Iroquoian, and I remember that by using cookies with ice cream. The Monacan tribe speak the Siouan language, so I remember this with macaroni and spaghetti. The Powhatan tribe speak Algonquin, and I remember this because of pizza with apples. Boys and girls, you will need this information to use on your assignment, so make sure you have everything completed before you close out.